Hi, good evening everyone. My name is Sanjay Sharma and today we are here to learn Term 2 syllabus for Artificial Intelligence. So, guys, due to some technical issue, we are not able to be live on YouTube. But as soon as possible, we just got the things, we will be able to go live. Okay. But till now, we're not wasting our time. We have this recorded session and we'll share it on YouTube. Okay. So, at the same time, like I've said that 5 p.m. that means around 5:30, 5:40. You got this video, you can watch it. And if you have any query, you can text me. You can WhatsApp me or you can message me. And accordingly, the next session we will discuss. Clear? So, syllabus we have already discussed in the previous video. If you have not yet seen, kindly see it. Okay. Now we are going to start our very first chapter that is very important, that is NLP, Natural Language Processing. Okay. What is NLP? This NLP is basically Natural Language Processing. Okay. You can learn this definition, you can pen down it because definition may be asked in 1 marks question as a short answer or very short answer. So this NLP is the data of natural language which humans use in their daily lives and operates on this. Natural language processing is a subfield of AI that is focused on enabling computers to understand and process human language. In normal language, we can say, till now or before AI or without NLP, we just write the instructions in a programming language and then give to the machines, to the computer, and machine will execute it. Okay. But after getting this NLP, we got something by which we are not writing the instructions. We are not codes. We're not programming. What we are doing, we just say our instructions in a language, English or Hindi or something else if there, and then machine will automatically convert this audio or text to accordingly and then works on your instructions. This is possible just because NLP. Clear? Natural language processing. Whatever we are talking, machine got it and then accordingly machine process it. Clear? इन सिंपल लैंग्वेज जैसे हम लोग बोलते हैं जो हम बातचीत कर रहे हैं उन सब चीज़ों को मशीन प्रोसेस करेगी एंड देन गिव यू द रिजल्ट. No need to write the programs, no need to write the instructions in any high or low level programming language. This will be done by the NLP. Clear? So, natural language refers to language that is spoken and written by people, and natural language processing attempts to extract information from the spoken and written words using some algorithms. The ultimate objective of NLP is to read, decipher, understand, and make sense inside the human language, and then find out the important words there, and according to words, they will process it. This is NLP. In simple language, to process or language is basically NLP. Natural language is natural is human language or own language. Okay. Why NLP is difficult? So we humans beings have a lot of languages. Okay, perfect. Like we people speaking Hindi, English, Punjabi, Garhwali, Marathi, Tamil, Kannada, and many more. Okay, so when we just think about that, that machine will be able to understand on own language, human's language. The very first problem was we have too many languages. In India, we have more than I don't know how much right words, maybe something else. So we have a such type of number of languages. Now the tough thing is which language is basically will prefer that machine will got it and then work on it. So let's hope just we just choose like English is the language. We will use English language, and then machine will works on English language. The very first problem was English language. So what we have done, we have taken English language and machine will work on English language to test about NLP. The very first difficulty was in English. We have a lot of things like you all are learning parts of speech, some grammatical rules, as well as pronunciation rules. Okay, so this is the basic. It's a very tough task, no problem. We just add some libraries and some algorithms, which then machine will learn about all these English rules, grammar rules, part of speech, sentences, present, past, future, blah, blah, and very many more things. Perfect. Now machine is able to learn all these things. That was some grammatical rules as well as basic English words. Done. The second problem was in India as well as in other countries, there are a lot of pupils have different type of pronunciation. Still, there are a lot of people who are speaking English maybe after 8 p.m. or maybe after when they require. Still, we all are humans beings. We make a lot of mistakes. Still, I'm not able to pronunciate something in the right words. So this is also a challenge. Different type of people is speaking the same language in different ways. Second thing was there we have a lot of things like idiom phrases and many more one words synonyms and Allah. So finally they have done we have provided all these things to the machines. Now machine is able to understand this is done. It was the toughest job, and to do this all these things we required a lot of algorithms and few things, but finally machine is able to learn or to process or humans language. Doesn't matter you are spell it correctly or not. It might possible someone said difficult, someone said difficult, someone said something else difficult. Okay, so it is also a problem. Pronunciation is a major problem, so it's still a problem. Finally, then so these are the things why NLP is difficult. So we just need to find out all these type of errors, some problems. We just rectified it, and finally we have few applications. We'll discuss later on, like Alexa and Siri. They are working on that. So this is difficulties. How NLP works. The process of understanding human language is quite difficult for a machine, like we have discussed. This process is divided into five major steps. Somewhere you find only three major steps. So don't be confused. You can write anything. It's not so much important topic, but you have to learn it because upcoming topic we have some numericals that is based on all these things. Lexical analysis. In this step, an AI machine identifies and analyzes the structure of our words in a speech and converts them into text. The text is then converted into paragraphs, sentences, words by lexical analyzer. Listen, whenever we are talking, whenever a teacher is there to deliver a lecture or a class, so do you remember we are using in this step comma an AI machine identifies analyzes such of a word full stop, who is the father of AI, question marks. So there are few things that we are not using. We just tell something in a group of sentences. So the very first difficulty was to find all these sentences and put like a paragraph, then convert to sentences and then convert to word. This is called lexical analysis. Clear? Then syntactic analysis. In this step, the converted words and sentences are arranged according to the grammar of the language. Still, we all pupils made some mistakes. If you are English expert, then I can't say. But still, when we're talking about any other than language, especially not our mother tongue, we have made a lot of mistakes. Okay, so in that case, this particular step is there to arrange the things in a proper manner as well as grammatical rules and then done. Like this is school goes to boy. This is meaningless word. So this step will do that and carry on. Semantic analysis. In this step, the semantic analyzer checks the text for meaningfulness and draws the meaning from the text. This task is done by mapping syntactic structures and object in the task domain. Basically, we are going to learn few things like lemmatization and spamming in the upcoming videos. This is something like that. The basic thing was just convert the words to their basic words like play to play, try to try. Okay, so that machine can find out the things. What is the meaning of this word? This is called semantic analysis. Finally, discourse integration. In this step, meaning of the sentence is drawn according to the meaning of the preceding sentence and succeeding sentences. And finally, pragmatic analysis. In this step, deriving those aspects of language which require real world knowledge. The actual meaning of the sentence is rechecked in the process. So, in this topic, I just preferred you just need to go through these three major steps first: lexical, syntactic, and semantic analysis. Okay. So these are the things we will discuss later on also because a part of upcoming algorithm that is bag of words. Now, like guys, I'm a teacher. I don't have such type of videos where I just put some graphics, some videos, show you all these things. Okay, I'm a single person who are making this PPT for you after my 8 hour jobs and then giving the lecture. Okay, you maybe find somewhere having a specific videos explaining the things. That's perfect for the explanation. You can go through there. But how to write the questions, what is the topic is important, how to solve the paper, is it? Okay, you can go through it. If you have any query, you can text me on WhatsApp. You have my WhatsApp number, you have in my group also. Accordingly, we'll discuss. This is the things. Now, application of NLP. The very first is email filters. You all knows about spam filter. We have discussed in class 9th also. The very first AI application was there, spam filter. The same is email filters. You just check in your email, maybe Gmail, WhatsApp, Rediff mail, whatever is WhatsApp, not this using picture. Gmail, Yahoo Mail, Hotmail, whatever you have there, they have a spam filter as well as they can filter your mails in different type of things like such professionals, social media, orders, such type of things. There's an option they can filter their emails. Yes, this is an important topic that is called automatic text summarization. It can be asked in 1 marks as well as 2 marks. Maybe the type of automatic text summarization can be asked. It may be extractive or abstractive. This is automatic text summarization. This is like you have a science book and you don't want to make notes. Just put this notebook as a soft copy in your machine, in your software, in your device, in your program, and then machine will be able to give you notes. This is called automatic text summarization. These are the two types: extractive and abstractive. Extractive and abstractive. So this extractive basically do the things like just find the title, the headings, and then make a notes. Topic title, topic heading, and then make a notes for it. This is called extractive. Then thing is abstractive. This is the abstraction techniques, paraphrasing and shortening parts of the source document and make a meaningful document. We can't say meaningful, make a document. This is not so much popular, but still this is an option. The machine will able to read few paragraphs inside the book and then make a summarized notes. In extractive, they will put the titles, headings, and make this notes. This is called extractive and abstractive. Extract means extracting the bold things, the title things, the topics. And abstractive means making own abstract. Find out the few lines, few words inside the paragraph, and then make a summarization, summary. Then sentiment and emotion analysis. This is also a popular thing. You know very well. You are sending smileys. Okay, so nowadays we are also using this. Like if you purchase something from Amazon and you just give a smiley, a 5 star, 3 star, 4 star reward. So these all these type of sentiment and emotion analysis can also be basically finally this got the rating, star rating 4.2, 5.3. So all these type of sentiment and emotion can also be analyzed by NLP. Text classifications, you have a paragraph, you have some videos, or you have still videos also there. Video can be also categorized in technology, fashion, sports, education on YouTube. If you want to search something like that, it will give you. the same type of results. It's not this, but still it's possible. AI will give you personalized hits. So this text classification means if you have a paragraph, if you have a book, if you have articles, if you put it there, we'll divide the few things in a different type of classified. Like it's a part of technology, it's a part of fashion, it's a part of sports. Virtual assistants, you knows very well. Siri, Alexa, Google, and many more. Amazon Echo. This is also NLP. Chatbots. This is also in your topic. Also, chatbot means if you remember, many of the time you have seen on Amazon, maybe on Zio, as well as on Flipkart, there's an option to chat. Okay, there's no human mix. It's only chatbot. Okay, so chatbot is there. A program is there. It's like a simple decision tree program. Yes, no, one, two. If you remember, just few years ago, maybe still, we just call a number like a customer care number 123 or 111. Press 1 for this, press 2 for this, press 3 for this. If you press something else, this is wrong choice. The same way, this chatbot is also there, that is a textual conversion. You will have a problem, you will type, chatbot will give you an option. These are things. If you choose the right, then we'll give. If wrong, sorry, I can't answer. I will reach a call back to you. This is called chatbot. So now there's no human beings who are communicating you with the help of chats or textual conversion. They are having a chatbot, a program that is able to send or that is able to communicate you on a specific topics using text conversion. Chatbot is in your topic. We'll discuss types and how it works and all these things later on. And second and important thing is this last point is predictive text, prediction, predictive text. Important question है एग्जाम में आ सकता है 1 marks में. What is this? So like just think about it. You have written an article, or we can take example of Harry Potter. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 movies, just put in the machine. Now machine is able to make a new movie, new script for Harry Potter. You have write 1, 2, 3 articles on a specific topic. Just put into the machine. Now machine can predict a new article on the topic. It might possible it's meaningless, but still machine can do it. This is called predictive text. This is also called prediction. So these are topic for today. So what we have cleared, we have learned today is very simple thing. Very first thing is NLP, natural language processing, just to convert, just to give or day-to-day language as an input or as instructions to the machine. Then why it's difficult? We have discussed. We have so many challenges that we have to face to develop NLP. Then how NLP works, having 5 steps. Basically, we have 3 steps. Lexical, just convert sentences, the entire speech, the instructions to paragraph, sentence, and then word. Syntactic means just convert these sentences in a specific meaningful area as per the grammar and all type of rules. And finally, semantic, the words is need to be meaningful. Discourse integration, just to find the sentence is drawn according to the meaning, preceding sentence and the succeeding sentence. Both sentences will be checked here. And finally, pragmatic analysis. In this, we just find out the actual meaning of sentence as per our real life examples. These are the things which we have discussed. Then finally, we have discussed applications of NLP, email filter, automatic text summarization, sentiment analysis, text classifications, virtual assistant, and chatbots, as well as predictive text. Very important question exam में आ रहा है. Either what is NLP? You have to remember the definition. You have to learn it. Then application of NLP. Either it can be asked, explain NLP with example, or any specific example can be asked as a question. Like, what do you mean by automatic text summarization? Or explain abstractive text summarization. Second thing is text classification is also ठीक ठाक है, no, not so much important. But predictive text is also thing. Okay. Chatbot in our topic we'll discuss later on. So this is for today's video. I hope you understand. If any problem, you can text me. So we can cover it in the next video, and hopefully we will try to be live in next or next session. The same time tomorrow you got a video on channel. If not yet subscribed, subscribe the channel so that you got notification when videos of the video is uploaded. Okay, bye bye.